Hello, welcome to Skyy Rider Institutions Data Science with Python program. This session is taken by the Durga Prasad, trainer, Skyy Rider Institutions. So myself, Durga Prasad. So, hello, welcome. So before starting the session, what is data science? The present trend and boom in the market, data science. Wherever you go, there is a data science, data science, data science. So what is data science? Before that, actually, what is data science? The trend right now, the data science, data scientists, or data analytics, or etc. Business analysis, or etc. So before starting the data science is a multidisciplinary field. First of all, multidisciplinary field that uses the scientific methods, process, algorithms, systems, extract the knowledge, insights from the structured and unstructured data. So, okay, data. So, what is meant by data? Generally, the data is called as a system user information is called data. So, here the different type of data like internet, so many different type of data like a patient data or voters list or like that, whatever the data, it is some rows and columns like that. So the data in the format, earlier the data sets, it is mainly used for Excel, after that CSV. So after that Lotus 1 to 3. Here are so many different type of softwares for the data manipulation or data maintenance application or data processing or something. So after that, enter this market is the SQL or Oracle for the database application, database management like that. So right now the trend is data science. Wherever you go, there is a data science, data science, data science. So what is data science? The data science comes under a multidisciplinary field. First of all, multidisciplinary field with the big data application challenges. So what is big data? So here there are so many different terms enter into this market. So sometimes it's called as data analytics, sometimes it's called as big data. So right now the trend is the data science. The data science, it is the relating with the some science concepts that is called, one is the computer science. So whatever it is, the backbone is some softwares. That software comes under that computer science applications. So information technology. The computer science technology based on that pattern recognition and visualization. Visualization in the sense a graphical representation. So even the common man also easily can understand the graphical representation. So what is the loss, what is the profit, like that. Based on that graph only they can observe. So that type of techniques, it is implemented in visualization, and data warehousing, and high performance computing, and databases. Finally, it comes under that machine learning and artificial intelligence applications. So that is the concept about the computer science, the present trend, computer science. Earlier the computer science and as well as the information technology. So right now the trend is most of the engineering college, they are offering different branches in the under the computer science tree, like data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, like that. So what is the trend is going on? So based on that, company projects is like that only. So based on that company projects, the courses also it is introduced by the some of the reputed universities. At the same time, the job prospects also it is enhanced. Not only for the computer science, that computer science it is the relating with the some mathematics. So mathematics is the very essential. Whatever it is, the mathematical modeling first of all. That purpose, here the data science, it is the relating with the three different domains. One is the computer science, second one is the mathematics, third one is the statistics. The statistics in the sense, generally aware of this statistics. Statistics in the sense, some visualization graphs first of all. And at the same time, the statistical application as well as the stochastic and modeling with probability. That probability will, what it says, is the predictions. So these three are combined is called as a data science right now. According to the data science flow, like this, one side is the computer science. Computer science, especially for using the coding and all, whatever the programming language, you have to develop the coding. Based on that coding, how it is implemented, like some numerical methods. That numerical method in the sense, the mathematics must be required. So based on that mathematical representation, you have to implement in computer coding. Then we'll get the whatever it is, the mathematical notation and mathematical model implement in coding, you will get some outputs. That outputs visualized graphics in the graphical point of view. That purpose using some statistical application. The statistics means it is the easily visualization through graphs techniques. So simply you have to observe this graph. So here everyone can easily understand. Sometimes it may be rise, sometimes it may be falling. What about the graphs like that? So up and downs. So that up and downs easily can understand. So okay, every common man also knows. So sometimes the graph may be rise, sometimes the graph may be falling down, sometimes it is very falling. So these three domains will combine in a single pack is called as a data science. That is data science. That data science, basically some of the components are encapsulated. What are the components? The first component is the statistics. For statistical means you have to identify and calculating some values of the data. The data will apply in statistics, will measure some concepts. After that, a domain expertise. After that, a data engineering. So that data engineering comes under that, these three combines. After that, advanced computing. Finally, you have to visualize the graphs. These are the basic components of the data science. So why is the data science popular? So data science popular means the US Bureau Labor Statistics, according to their standard survey, strong growth in data science field. It predicts the number of jobs increased by 28% through 2026. So existing that 28% of the jobs will be 2026. That's what millions of jobs will be creating in the sector of data science. That's what it is the more popular, the data science. It is the job securities also. So the data science have a future. So common everyone can asking generally. So right now the trend is going on in market is the data science. One side is machine learning, another side is artificial intelligence. So the data science. What is the future of data science? Yes, it is still in a demand and a good future in data science domain. How to say? How to say in the sense? Based on that previous survey, the 28% of jobs will enhance by 2026. Like that, based on that, it is a still demand. Data science is a trend in the current technological driven, or with the fact grow exponentially to year comes. So that's what it is. The data science is a bright future in nearby. So data science is a good career. Yes, 100%. Data scientist is the second best job in America in 2021. So in 2021, data scientist is the second best job in America. So everyone knows. So everyone life goal. I want to become a good software engineer. I want to settle in US. I want to settle in Canada or something. I want to settle in India also. So here the good job. That good job in the backbone, the data scientist. So right now it is the hard boom also. So not only for generalized, it's a common demand also. It is a data science. So as per the survey records, the data scientist is the second best job in America. A quick search in LinkedIn also. Just you can go through this LinkedIn. It will shows like this the data science positions. 1,13,000 job vacancies in LinkedIn. From Facebook and Amazon, Pfizer and Ford, Motorola. Here are so many companies, Ford Motors. Here are so many companies, they are opening the data science jobs. So that's what it is the bright future and bright career in data science. Computer science, coding and all. Okay, here the coding. So coding, everyone knows the coding. Is it very essential? No, some jobs it is relating with the coding, some jobs will the analysis part also. So earlier the data science based on that only statistical application like a SAS. After that rapidly development in a software, so many different softwares enter into this market. Not only for the specific application, the data science applications also encapsulated particular softwares like Apache Spark or BigML or D3 or MATLAB or Excel or Tableau, MATLAB, that is the concepts. So here are so many different type of concepts. It is encapsulated on a particular softwares for visualization, better visualization applications. The statistical concepts of a data science. So statistics, what it's meant by the statistics? Statistics make a central part of the data science. Statistics is the broad field that offers many applications. So if you have an idea in statistics, you have to do miracles in data science. 100%. You can do some miracles in data science. The data science basics, and it is the method of a science to collecting and analyzing a numerical data, large quantities to get the useful insights. The statistical applications is very, very important. Here the statistics, normally some of the applications is going on. Everyone knows in a basic statistical application, like a descriptive statistics, probability, dimensionality, central trends, and hypothesis testing, like this. These are the basic concepts about the statistics. So, philosophy of a data scientist. The data scientist, earlier, it is like this. The people thinking of data science, earlier, it is the only domain specialty, the researchers. Right now, the trend is not only for the domain specialty, must require as well as the stats and computing knowledge. That means right now, it is a mathematical point of view, it is the pie-shaped researchers must be required in the industry. Earlier, it is only the T-shaped. T-shaped in the sense, it is the only domain specialty is enough. The present trend is going on like a pie-shaped. That pie-shaped in the sense, not only for the domain specialty, you must be aware of statistics and as well as computing. Have you got my point? Yes, the trend is going on. So right now, the people thinking about, I want to become a pie-shaped data scientist. So in another way, the machine learning. So what is machine learning? What is the relation between data science and machine learning? The machine learning is the backbone of data science. Machine learning is another concept, but it is the backbone of data science. Whatever the data scientist can implement, that is the applications, the basic knowledge must be in statistics. That applications will be applied onto the statistics, will do some miracles. So it is one of the basic concept and backbone concept of the data science. Not only the machine learning also, it is a part of data science, and AI also, it is a part of machine learning. So it is the interlinking. So here the concepts, here the wide job opportunities in the data science sectors. Here there are so many different type of jobs roles, like the data scientist. So data scientists, their specific roles. After that, data engineers. After that, visualization expert. After that, process owners. Here are so many different type of hierarchies and as well as the job positions. So from data scientist, or data engineer, or visualization engineer, or process engineers, or process owners, and data care managers also. How to become a data scientist? I want to become a good data scientist. So what are the basic requirements? So basic requirements, you want to become a good data scientist, you must be aware of the coding. You must be aware of the coding. That coding in the two categories. One is high level coding or a low level coding. So once you have to go for high level coding, you must be aware of the Python knowledge. Python scripting knowledge. Python and as well as R or Julia. These are the high level coding for data scientists. If you want to go for a low level application like Java, Scala, Clojure or C++, the coding knowledge must be required for the data scientist positions. So this is the common question rise. So after completion of my graduation or something, I want to become a good data scientist. So how it is? That means that is the answer is you must be aware of the coding first of all. That coding in which level? That which level in the sense, here the data scientist positions are in the two levels. One is high level data scientist or in a low level data scientist. If you want to choose high level, you must be aware of a Python software or R programming or in Julia. Or else you have to choose a low level applications like you have a knowledge on Java or Scala or Clojure or C++. So data science applications. So where it is the data science application? Okay, wherever you go, there is a signboards or advertisements, TVs, even the TVs and social media. It is the hot boom right now. The data science. It is the more advertisements. So each and every frame of the film will be get some advertisement. So right now the trend. So it is the data science. Where is the applications? The data science right now it is after almost all the sectors. like in banking and finance, sports, internet search, digital advertisement, or image processing, or gaming, or delivery, logistics. Not only for this, every field, almost all it is the cover the data science sectors. So basically, everyone raises the common question. So in the market, is the one side is big data, and another side is the data analytics, another side is the data science. So here there are so many different type of publicity. So big data and data analytics and data science. What are the variations? What are the comparison between these three domains? Okay, yes, I will let you clarify. The big data. Big data refers to only a large and complex collections of data. Data analytics is the process of extracting meaningful information from data. The data science is a multidisciplinary field that aims to produce the broader insights. That is the basic concepts. Like, let us clarify. The big data. The big data like a bulk data. That bulk data like in the stock market data, or in social media data, or sporting events and games and scientific and research data. Here comes under the category of big data. Here the data analytics. The data analytics is the another concept. That another concept is the classification by the four different ways. That is, these are descriptive, diagnostic, predictive, and prescriptive. So what is descriptive, what is diagnostic, and what is predictive, what is prescriptive? So that let you clarify like this. Data analysis is the strong starting point in any analytical process. The descriptive analysis is the very, very important. That means what has happened in past. What has happened in past. That is very important. Before taking the project, first you must go for descriptive analysis. That means you must be aware of these previous conditions. Then only will start your diagnostics. That is the another technique, diagnostic analysis. The next step of the descriptive is called as diagnostics. Third one is the predictive. This will be combined data from descriptive and diagnostic analytics and use the ML and AI techniques. Then only we will get the predictive analysis. Take the action. How to take the action. That is comes under the predictive. Finally, it is the prescriptive. This can be considered the most important type of analytics produce the predictions effectively. These are the data analysis types in the data science. The data science project flow is like this. Whenever you start the data science project, you must be at different roles, different job opportunities. Like that, based on that, the flow is like this. So, like the data collection, data cleaning, and exploratory data analysis. Finally, you have to create the modeling, then deployment. So, these are the basic idea about the simple idea about the data science. The more sessions will be in the next session. Thank you very much.